Gran cartoning machine can be divided into vertical structure and horizontal structure. It often contains 3 feeding mechanisms for leaflets, products, and cartons. The whole cartoning process can be divided into mainly 3 steps: carton forming, filling, and closing. The sealing way can be divided into glue spraying, flap inserting, and bottom buckling. It can be used alone or cooperated with other machine. In Gran, we can customize cartoning machine with different functions as your requirements, also integrate upstream and downstream machines to form complete production line. Get the solution? Please contact me.